Hi everyone, my name is David Leonardo Sáenz Barrera. I am 26 years old. I study in the UNAT at the Business Administration program. I will talk about this picture. I live in Villavicencio. This is the Araguana Park. It's a natural park. It's near to Villavicencio in Puerto Lopez. This is a place you should visit. Mm, because you can be in touch with the nature and the animals and have a great time. In this park, you can do the following activities. You can do an ecologic walk across the natural reserve. You can see many species of birds and animal and plants in their natural habitat, and you can also do extreme sports like canopy and rappel and mountain bike. In this place there is a lake to do water sports. So come out and meet the park. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.